Hey, so check it out. I was on eBay the other day and I found a Lionel handcar that was pretty reasonable. I think I got it for like 25 bucks. And I thought I'd use the Lucy and Charlie Brown figure to make my own Peanuts handcar using a Marx car that I just repaired. The handles were broken. So I used the metal from a surveyor flag and I drilled through and put those in, super glued them in there. And then to put the figures on is pretty easy. Here's a handcar, that a Marx one that I just repaired recently. You just have to ream these out big enough to accept the bases that Lionel put on them, and they'll just snap right in there, and then you just put the hands in the handles and you're ready to go. So I thought I'd take it for a spin. I remember watching and reading the Peanuts comics, and when watching the specials, and it always made me laugh with the adults going wah 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 wah. So hopefully my handcar won't run like that. So here we go. It runs pretty good. And we'll just pick the camera up and follow it around. There we go. I put new brushes in this one, new motor brushes. That always helps. Interesting with these hand cars, a lot of times the wires that go from the pickup to the coil will be burnt. And those are usually the ones that you can get to work. It's the ones that they look really good and the wiring looks really good. That usually means the armature is burned out of them. So, like I said, the ones with the burnt wires, where the wire wears against the axles, I guess, and eventually wears through. But this one runs really good. I got it fixed up. My little handcar figures from Lionel work really good. I also got a Buzz Lightyear and Woody that I'm going to be working on here pretty soon when those figures arrive. So this is a way to fix up these. I like fixing up these Marx handcars, and then the Lionel figures work really well on them. And we'll put the camera back down. Looks like that's going to be a good runner. I set up at Eldridge Park usually every May when they have their train days, and the kids really like seeing things like this, so that was another reason I wanted to get one of these and make it that way. And I can use the Lionel handcar for some projects, so use the motor out of it. So we'll bring them in. Alright, so thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.